Hey friends, welcome back. Today, in this third episode of our series on study in Canada, we are going to answer another frequently asked question. This is the most popular question by far. So, generally students ask whether it is possible to study in Canada without IELTS. The short answer is yes, but there's a catch. Universities or community colleges generally prefer a score of 6.5 bands, no less than 6 bands in IELTS. But under the new SDS scheme, the requirement has been reduced to 6 bands each. So if you have a 6 band score in IELTS, you can study at a community college or a university. If you don't have an IELTS score, you can apply using your Pearson Test of English PTE score or a Duolingo score, which is accepted by some universities and some community colleges. There are a few universities as well which accept a letter of recommendation. So you do not have to appear for any of the English language exams, but just based on your medium of instruction letter or your letter of recommendation, they may admit you. But you have to understand that not giving an English language test will reduce your chances of getting a student visa. So if you want a sure shot guaranteed way to get a student visa, then appearing for an English language test such as IELTS, PTE or Duolingo is preferable. Thank you.